Okay, guys. I wanted us to talk about support and resistance. Remember, Izola asikhona ngikhuluma ngayo due to network. Can you all hear me?
Thando umithile thando kuphela khona. Okay.
Uyakhatha mfethu. Uzama ukuphakamisa ivoice kancane.
Ya ngiyibona mina.
All right. I-movement nonke nayibona.
Yabanye ba-off yazi. Okay.
All right. Let's go to monthly. Hence, I said yesterday that we start analyzing from monthly, we go down to weekly until H4. Okay. We will start analyzing. We will start by looking for a support and resistance. Our support and resistance is going to be like this. Here's our support below. Here's our resistance. As you can see, the price is currently here now. My white line, this horizontal white line, is the actual price. So now, because of we know that the price is here, what is it that we have to do? We have to wait and see if the price is still going up or the price is turning. You don't buy, you don't sell, you just wait. Hence, you can see the price started here. So now, in detail, is support and resistance. It's where the price turn. Angazi noma mhlambe kukhona indlela engifuna ngi-explainele ngayo. As you can see here, the price is turning for the first time. And we're on a higher time frame. Next time a price is figured to the same line, the price is going to turn. Avon. It's for the second time now. Let's start on our left. The price turned here. And the price turned here. And the price turned here. Why is that? It's because of what happened here. Because early 10 and this 10. So now, when as a trader, what do? You just draw your line, your horizontal line like this as a support and resistance. So now you just wait. As soon as the price will you buy. But then as you go to buy here, you check ukuthi yin into ezochigisa a price on our left. Are we still together? Batul.
Hayi, sakuthola.
All right. So let's see 3. Okay. So now since the price ichigile la yayesh, ibuyile futhi price as a tenor here. Remember, we're using our left. Look at this. The price turned here. Why did the price turn here? Because of what happened on our left. So now the price ikupugile like one as you see the price went up. But the price chigala. The reason for the price to turn here is because of our what? Our support. Mention almost everything. That is why I don't have to go back near more details of what is support, what is resistance and stuff. Remember, once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. Once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. As you can see this one, this was once our what? Our support. Our support is broken here. What do we have now?
It's resistance now.
Yes, now we have a resistance. We are currently here as a resistance. Let's forget about what happened on our right. Let's just stick here to this. So now you see our support is broken, it becomes a resistance. The price went down. You see, the price went down. It turned here again. You see, why did the price turn here? We have a new support. Since all our previous support is no longer valid because of it was broken. Now a new support is created because of what happened on our left. So now when the price turned here, it created a new support. It went up to a new resistance. The price came back down to a what? To a support. Then the price went up again. The price before yes, Allah. This was a new resistance. It created over time. Can you see that? Okay, now what's happening? We have this one. Okay, let me just erase almost everything. Oh, yeah. So now, what is this thing? Okay, ends on length. As though Windows are available, my friends. They act.
Computer yakho ihlezi kuhlupa le. Sometimes ayifuni ukuqoka, ayifuni ukususa.
Hey, phela ayifuni ukuphuma le mpahla.
Ngale YouTube uhlezi ukhale.
Let me just clear everything. Okay. Okay, now we're good. So unfortunately, young into say erase it, but simple, I can just draw it again. We were here. We had this. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
Can you all see this? In manj, don't manj. Okay, forget about it. Are we all still together?
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
All right. But abanye never respond. Hello? Guys.
Asilindile abaphendula.
Oh, ngijaya senambili.
Ayisikhona thina so-2.
Okay. So now since we are here, remember we had a new support. Our support was consumed by this candle. Remember, we on higher time frame of which is monthly. Which is monthly. This is what we have. You see, our support was consumed. So remember, once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. So so that you can see. To show you. Okay. I full press. But if you go to using candlestick, in the candlestick using line chart, you can see which price I got according to this. I'll go to a line chart after this one. You'll see what I'm talking about. So now, since we are here, the price eternal coin because of what happened here on our left, of which I cannot see. right now. And now, since I cannot see what happened on my left, I cannot use this one as something that is valid. So I'll wait for the price and see which is Owenza. And by looking at this, you know that the price is going to 10 here. As you can see here, it turned. Can you see that? The price turned here. So now, since all the price turned here, if you look at this one, remember we had our, what's this? Our support. 1, 2, 3. It was consumed here. Then what do? We draw a horizontal line again like this. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see that? Guys.
Yes, we can.
Right. So now, because of we have this, I'll try to erase the. Okay, let me erase and see which is open channel. Network. Okay. Got you. All right. So, okay. So now we are here. The price turned here. Let me remove everything so that you can see the formation eventually. And remember, it won't be accurate as you think. Look at this. By using this line like this, you can see with the price eternal previous, the price turned here, and it also turned here and here. So now, because it turned here, the price will come back and turn here in future. Again, it turned here, but it was not a major move. The price then went up. If you were to check, I will extend the line again. You'll see something different. Are we still together?
Yeah.
Look at this. I'll start my line here and extend it.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Look what happened here. The price was going up. Small consolidation. When you go to smaller time frame, it will be a support and resistance. Here we have a resistance that is broken, that became our support. But now you're not going to see everything because we are on monthly. So as you can see what happened here, our resistance was broken. You see, it was broken, then it became our support. Where is this horizontal line coming from? Our line started this side until this side. We're using everything that happened on our left-hand side. Always remember that. Remember this one, it's our new support. It was our resistance here. A resistance is broken now, it becomes a support. The price came back here around 2016. This one happened 2013. 18. This one is 2016. Can you all see that? The price came back around 2020. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
How do I see that? Here's the years. 1 April 2020, the price was here. So now, as the price was going up, remember our previous drawings. I'm not sure if you still remember them. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
Do you still remember these drawings?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So now, what do we have? We have this. Can you all see that? Can you all see this?
Yeah.
Look at this. This was the first time. This one happened around 2002. 2007, we had this. 2016, actually between 2015, we had this. What happened here? It's because of this. This is the cause of the price to turn here. And remember the cause of the price to turn here. I want you to understand this part. The price created a new support here. The price went back up to our new resistance. Then the price went down again to the, to the major support. Then the price started to go up again. It came back to this resistance that was created long time ago. It came back to this resistance that was created long time ago. So now what do we have here? We have a new resistance, I mean, that was created long time ago. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. It was created long time ago. Then the price came back here. As you can all see that. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see this, the price turned here. And then the price went back up to our new resistance. From resistance, the price came back to our new support that was created here. Then this, we can use it as our first time. This one was a pullback. Then this one is the first time. And then this is the second time. Because of this and this, many people were waiting here for the price to turn here. Unfortunately, the big guys didn't wait for the price to get here. They opened big orders here, then the price shoot up. And now the price is currently here on our old resistance. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
So now the price was here around 2001. Eventually the price is going to turn here. Even if it can go up and do whatever that it wants. At the end of the day, the price will do something like this. You can make a screenshot of these drawings. You'll see something like this, and then it will turn here. I'm going to extend this, or it can even turn here. These are the things that we're going to use in the future. By looking on our left, we know what's going to happen here as traders. So now you expect something like this until the price gets here. Do you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, now anyone on Ombuzo, it's your time to ask.
Yeah, when the pullback
Angizwa.
resistance awuzwa
Ukhulumela phansi.
yabona i-pullback leyo yabona i-pullback leyo yokugcina engaresistani la eningi
Yazi senzeni?
yeah
Asichat.
okay
Fala i-message ngizokwazi ukuyifunda.
okay let me see
Because now I can't hear you. I'll answer you by reading a message or pala. So now I'm going to remove everything here.
okay
Before we remove everything while usafaki message, I want to show you something again. Look at this. Where were we? No, we were here. We were here. Look at this. I'm going to use this horizontal line and put it here. I want to go to my chart line. You will see that the price actually turned here, but you will see a spike on candlestick like this. You will see a spike here, but when I go to line chart, you're not going to see any spike. The price just turned here. Look at this. Flip. I'm not going to see the color. As the calendar as of let me just use one. Can you all see that? Okay. When I look at this, the price turned here and it turned here. There's no spike, there's no spike. This is where the actual, this is where the price actually turned. But when you go to candlesticks, you will see a wick like this one and a wick like this one. Where was this? Where was the price supposed to turn? Here. Remember that this line is coming from our left. Look at this. Can you see this one? Now it is accurate because of the spikes. Candlesticks will help you to know which price your spikes, but in line chart, you come by the actual thing. It will show you the actual thing. Candlestick as a almost everything because of the wicks. That is why I always advise about you not to learn candlesticks. Candlesticks, they are not that important. For me, I don't use them when I trade. For me, it's something like in you must know which price you move. Let's check the whiteboard. I want to draw something. I'm still waiting. Remember, because I can't hear you clear.
Okay, I saw the bulls.
Angezwa?
Ngithi ngisazoyisenda khule.
Oh, okay, kulungile. What is the whiteboard? Okay, so 7 decided. Okay, look at this. Flip. Cancel and do this. Yeah. Can you all see this?
Yeah.
Let's take this one as our resistance. Shiala. Yes, Paleon Quinta. Yeah. So now the price, let's say maybe the price is from our support. You'll see a movement like this. This is how the market moves. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Are we still together?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, we are.
So now there's one thing that you have to understand. The reason why I say it is important to use a higher time frame is for you to know what this higher time frame is for you to know what the price iya phansi or iya phezulu. by knowing which price ear pants or peso, you know which if you see this structure, you know that you don't sell, you only buy, you look for buy opportunities. You don't look for sell opportunities. Do you get it? So now let's say the price is going down. You see a movement like this. What do? You just wait for a pullback. The price will just do a pullback like this one. It might be a deep pullback. And now a deep pullback like this one, it will look more like a head and shoulder. You see, but it will depend on the time frame that you are using. But our topic is not about head and shoulder today. It's head and shoulder, it's coming. So what are you going to do now? You're going to wait until the price is figured. There's something that's going to tell you that the price is going to 10 year. You must always look on your left. You might see something like this. Eventually the price will start turning. What's happening now? Ran out of time. What happened? Last thing right now. Oh. Guys.
Sure.
Oh, ran out of time. I don't understand thing period cut no. Can you all see young Kinta chat?
Yeah, we see.
Okay. So now what you're gonna do now, you're going to sell. Look at this. Yeah. Then the price will go down. Look at this now. What do we have here? We have our new support. The price will turn here now. Look at this. You see? What do you do immediately when you see a pullback like this one? You know that the price is still going down. You see? Look at on your left. The price will turn like this. I'm not sure if you guys understand this.
I do. I do.
Then let's say, for instance, the price is actually here now. You don't know whether the price is going down or it's going up. If the price is going down here, you will see something like this. And now, after seeing something like this, you have to wait. What is it that you're waiting for? You're waiting to check a pullback like this one. Then the price might come here and test this support as a new resistance. Then the price will go down. Eventually, this is what's going to happen here. You don't have to just sell when the price gets here. You have to wait and see what is the price doing. If the price is going up, you will see that the price is going up by a pullback, and then the price shoot up. Same thing when the price is going down. Let's go to the actual chart and see what I'm talking about. Let's go to weekly. Let's check daily. Remember, a higher time frame, a lower time frame, I come the actual thing, né? But the only time frame I combat the actual thing is a smaller time frame. Let's use this one as a reference. So now I'll go to H4. Look at this. This line. Remember, this cat is a trend line. This is our trend line, 2005 year. But now, the important part is this is our new support. You see, it's adjust the current. It's our new support. The price was going down. Then anytime I create a new support, they create a new resistance on top. So it's support again, it's resistance. So now our resistance is broken here. So once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. Always remember that if you go to smaller time frame, you will see the actual thing here. But now I'm not gonna go. Okay, it's fine. Let me go to smaller time frame and see what is it that we're going to see. Really pull back and one. So let's use H4. Okay, we are here. So now our support is broken. The price went down for a long period of time. I don't even know how long. Let's use this one as our support. So now the price is support. The price started going up. Can you see that? The ranging.
Yeah.
You see? Then immediately my figure the price going to 10. Always know that the price is going to 10 my figure. Look at this. Each price. And now to know the reason for the price each call, look at this. That is why I'm saying it's always wise to use your left. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
Look at this. The price
Yes, we can.
Everyone, let me take this.
Yeah.
And remember, I'm not sure is of this now. This is our new resistance. Remember, it was support this side. Now it's a new resistance. Our new support is here. Our support, our resistance. Ichigelana, yabuela back to resistance. So now, since all the price is here, it is changing its direction. Here is a message in the check manji. So now the price is changing its direction. So since all the price changing the direction, it is going down now. It's coming back to our new support. Let me check something. Okay, I only have 3 minutes remaining. We cannot go further because I think it's an hour busy. So I want to answer something else before Pendula Lelana. I'm not sure in the Stralana. Why trade my fundamentals? Look at this. If you trade my fundamentals, you can see the move with the move my fundamentals. So now you see the price ila. And the price is going up. Unama news. When because of you don't have much experience or knowledge, you're going to buy a price, the price going up. The price went up. Isugela go resistance. Remember, it was a support here. Then now it go resistance. Then think, no, you know what, the price is still going up. Now the price is no longer going up because it go resistance. My so go resistance, it will go back to support. Mangathi check like nama major moves khona la enziwa ama fundamentals. There's always something like this. If the price is moved, let's say maybe the price is here and we have new fundamentals, the price will go to support or resistance. Always know that. Meaning what I do, I wait for the price to get to my support or resistance. Then I start selling. That's safe. Are you answered? Is the support always going to be placed at the bottom and the resistance top? Yes. Our support ipansi, resistance yet to iphezulu. That's always the case. But remember, once it is broken, it becomes a resistance, then simovela pants. Once if it is broken, once E resistance is broken, simovela phezulu, it becomes a support. Always know that. That's always the case. Onombuzo sizawuqeda inbox, guys. As you can see, we have 1 minute 32 seconds. So let's just carry guys. Thank you for your time. Sure.
Sure.
Thank you.